everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you access on demand on Spectrum Xumo. So here's a guide for your step-by-step menu navigation and some quick tips. Step 1. Use the voice remote command shortcut. Hold down the physical voice or microphone button located in the center of the Xumo remote control. Say the phrase on demand clearly into the remote microphone tip. Release the button once you finish speaking to allow the cloud system to process the search string. Wait for the interface to bypass the standard grid layout and jump straight to the master on-demand content hub. Step 2. Open the on-demand menu via the Spectrum TV app. Press the home button on your Xumo remote to bring up the primary application dashboard launcher. Locate and launch the official Spectrum TV app from your primary application grid row. Press the back arrow or left navigation directional arrow key while inside the app to slide open the primary menu sidebar. Scroll down the sidebar options using your directional pad and highlight the entry labeled On Demand. Press the center OK or Select button on your remote control to load the full free and premium on-demand catalogs. Step 3. Browse content categories and genres. So you can use the up or down or left and even right directional keys to navigate through the horizontal content rows. Select subcategories like featured movies, TV shows, or networks near the top of the interface. Navigate to the Networks tab if you want to find on-demand episodes from a specific channels like HBO, HGTV, or Discovery. Click on any specific show or movie thumbnail card to open its dedicated landing details page. Step 4. Verify purchase and subscription requirements. Look right below the movie or show title text string on the description screen layout. Click for a tag reading as free included with subscription or rent or buy. Click on Watch Now or Play Immediately if the video title is included for free in your active Spectrum TV channel package tile. Follow the on-screen parental control or purchase PIN authorization prompts if you are trying to rent a premium newly released movie. Step 5. Troubleshoot missing or freezing on-demand screens. Press the settings gear icon on your remote control if the on-demand screen remains completely blank or fails to load. Navigate to System Management and select the option labeled as Clear App Data or Clear Cache. Choose the Spectrum TV app from the list and confirm the erase request to clear corrupt temporary data streams. Unplug the power adapter cable from the back of your Xumo box for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and reload the guide if the menu tracking loops continue to freeze. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do this.